Orient for tour drive. Old Freely the cunt.
Got Paul Edmonds in the back.
Yeah, got fucking Paul Edmonds over down the back, cunt. Big Edmonds down the back in his fucking 200 series. He'll fucking pull us out if we get stuck, cunt. Oh god, look at this shit, cunt. Oh my god. We're going this way by the look of it. In a little fucking two-wheel drive HiLux, cunt, taking it down the Orient. Four-wheel drive shit, cunt.
That looks like a good road. Oh, we don't want this good road shit.
And here we go, cunt. We'll probably get lost.
That might be wet underneath there.
Yeah, no, fuck that. How's it going? Good shit here. My rod waving around like a toy. Yes please, cunt. Yes please. Fucking smell that. Oh, fucking oath.
Ready, huh?
Yeah, cunt. Upper. Hit the tree, cunt. Oh my goodness, cunt. Oh, over these, cunt. I don't think Paul's going to fit through here. It'd be tight fit for Paul. Another one, cunt. Another one. Yeah, fuck it. Here we go again, cunt. Here we go again. Yeah, I can rip it up. Oh. But freely the HiLux, mate. Good fucking
yeah.
Oh shit! Oh my god, cunt. It's not even the rough shit, it's the light track, cunt. The shitty track. Getting shaking around like toys.
Pretty
Fucking
soft
hell.
though.
It is, eh? Oh, fucking sight, cunt.
Yeah, sorry.
Sight, you fought.
Oh, we didn't fucking go down there.
This cunt's fucking rooted, cunt. There goes the transmission, cunt.
Pulls onto it.
There we go, he's in the lead now. He's in the lead.
That's an accident. Fuck.
Swing it.
I don't know. What did you
Got a big pulley in the front, cunt. Indicator on, cunt. Oh my god, cunt. If you blow your motor up, cunt, I'm gonna be fucking pissing myself. I'll be riding back with fucking Paul. Oh, this is rough shit. Oh.
Imagine we got lost.
Help me, please. Imagine, cunt. Oh, fuck me. Well, here's your fucking toolbox fucking bagging in the fucking canopy. Yeah, fucking there it goes again, cunt. Bouncing around like a toy. It's rough shit. Oh! Jesus, cunt. Rough as guts.
Fucking hell.
Running us around like a toy, cunt. Hey?
Throw me around, cunt.
I know.
Here we go. Oh, fucking damn it.
Yeah, take the rough shit it is.
Oh my god. He spawned out the front.
Oh, you just bottom out the car, cunt.
Oh, we better check that.
This car's not made for this shit, cunt. Holy fuck, cunt. Fucking bottomed out, cunt. That was rough as guts. We'll check that, eh? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, cunt. Oh no. Oh god. Even this fucking soft track's hard as balls, cunt. Big Paulie behind us, he'll fucking tow us out, cunt. Tow us out backwards if we get stuck. Shit, cunt. Yeah, I think it's the fucking good one, cunt. It's the one me and Greg went on. Handling it like a fucking champion, cunt. Oh shit.
Fuck.
Oh my god, god.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, this is the one me and Greg went on. Fucking rods flapping around like fucking no tomorrow, guy. Oh my god, we're living this shit, guy. Oh my god.
Cross around.
Oh god. Oh no, gun. The back bottom out that time, guy. Was that the toolbox or was your fucking? Was that your body?
Sure it's a fucking tow bar.
Lose the tow bar, can't you? It's the one me and fucking Greg went on, can't.
Is it?
Oh.
Oh fuck me, cunt. No way.
No way, we're going in there,
way.
guy.
No way.
No way, that shit's too bad, man.
Wait, Rick on this cunt, reverse into the trees.
Oh yes, please. Oh yeah. Fucking up it, cunt. Shake us like drugs.
Holy fuck.
Oh my goodness, God. Oh. Show through it, cunt.
Didn't need a wheel alignment after this.
I know, cunt. The wheels be fucking shooting on sideways, cunt. Oh, it's getting the beating gun. That's a good gun. Oh my god, bush fucking bashing. Probably the stubble some shit.
No, what was that?
Oh my god. Fucking video footage of this shit, cunt. Oh my god, shaking like a bitch, cunt. Can't fucking break the HiLux, can you? Then here we go. Cunts is hammering that, man. Hammering his 3 litre. Oh my god, god. Oh my god, god. Oh yes, cunt. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, when you fix up the lines, cunt. Oh.
Fuck yeah!
Oh my god, God. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
I think you can do that again.
Oh fuck. Oh my god, God. Fucking snapped my line on my rod, man. That's how much force there was. Imagine how hard we'll do a banger here, cunt.
I know. Jump that shit. Fuck me.
Oh my goodness, cunt. Oh my You're gonna fucking like change one really quickly and go down track and it'd be like a massive washout cunt.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no! Fucking massive hole there, good thing you missed it. Oh yes. Fucking I'm gonna bother me, I can't.
Okay.
Oh!
Shit.
Oh my god. That looks alright, cunt. Down we go. Holy shit, guy. Massive fucking washouts, guy.
All taking the easy road.
Holy fuck.
Holy shit. Fucking oath.
Oh,
Straight.
scraping the bottom on the fucking dirt, cunt. It's gone.
Why is he reversing?
Goodness, cunt.
What is he on there? Is he coming? Fucking dog, cunt.
Look at that mud, cunt. Oh, that's so muddy. Off we go, cunt. Holy fuck! Up the 2-litre, 3-litre.
Fucking goes, two-wheel drive.
We just got out of that shit, cunt. Honestly, the damage, cunt.
Fucking
We
hell,
just
cunt.
fucking ripped that bitch up. Oh my god, cunt. I want to see this shit.
Oh, my fucking guy is covered in. Where is Paul? Where's Paul gone?
I know, cunt.
Getting all the way out.
I know,
Look how bad
cunt.
it was.
Look at this shit. All torn up the sides and shit.
Oh, he can't. We nearly got stuck in your freaking out. That shit didn't even look soft.
I know,
Oh,
cunt.
Oh, I feel it sloshing, I think. Oh, is he coming? He is, he's coming in.
Oh, what the fuck? All my rod going, getting touched up.
Where the fuck are we going? Oh, that looks wet.
Nice, what do you mean? Looks
That
really
goes
soft.
out, oh yeah, that goes out to the beach. I'm pretty sure it looks
Oh
like.
yeah, we'll fucking go out to the beach.
There you go.
We're gonna fucking recovery vehicle now. Fuck, that would be close to Bonnie, man.
Fucking oath.
Yeah, man, that's borderline, cunt. Take it over this shit.
Oh fuck, not that big.
Yeah, give it a go. Should be high enough.
Yo, look at this. Oh my god. Shit is dragging on the road. Going sideways.
Oh my god. Look at that, can't drop it in.
Or would be pissing his penis.
I know he would be. He'll be back there fucking. He's pissed himself. He's pissed himself. Yeah, it should be. Oh shit, cunt. There it is, cunt. There it is.
All gonna go through it?
Yeah, surely.
Through it he goes.
Probably with ease.
Yeah. Wouldn't have hesitated.
That fucking son of a bitch.
Where? What?
That fucking thing.
What thing where?
Spider.
Oh yeah.
Fucking souvenir car. Guys, you want to screw my bitch car. Yeah, look out for that fucking bit of a stump there. Yeah, we can't. Big Paulie in his fucking beast of a 200. There he goes, cunt. Twin turbo, fucking turbo diesel V8, cunt. Holy fuck, cunt. He doesn't stand a chance. There he goes, cunt. There he goes. Fuck, he's ripping it up. Don't stand a chance in this cunt. Fucking take the rocks, cunt. Let's go back, let's go. Oh, the dog, cunt. Here we go, cunt. Round 2 of the muddy shit, cunt.
Oh, there he goes. Right off to the side. That'd be pretty good when it's after it's rained, I reckon.
Yeah. It's all fucking like. Oh! That's a bottom, cunt! That was bad, cunt.
That was
No. I thought the transmission like got ripped out of the bottom, cunt.
Oh, you reckon?
Yes, please, cunt.
Oh, where's full? There he is. Oh, he's coming through.
Is he going through?
Yeah, you called him.
Big Paulie coming through, cunt. With ease, can't cause it like a motherfucker. Got a fucking long night in front of us, or a long fucking afternoon, the rest of it. We've got a fucking hour trip going. Yeah, and watch the cut of the night on our way back after dinner or some shit.
Yeah, get it looking good.
Yeah.
Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Harvey's door is not opening. We are in like fucking half a meter deep shit. Fuck! You see us swinging around? Fucking hell!
Oh my god!
Fucking hell, cunt.
We fucking roared through this. Oh my goodness, cunt. Look how fucking deep this shit is.
We drove over this. Fucking driving.
Ball bounced it.
How fucking deep is it?
Get the whole open, cunt. Oh my god.
Just try to go straight
ruined the fucking HiLux, cunt.
Yeah. Shit. Fuck, they look like deep. You should have fucking felt it. This on the road. Look at the fucking hole. Oh my god. Fucking hell, cunt. I could have just like came out there and been all good, but here we are, fucking.
Well, that looks even worse.
Oh fuck! Oh my god! What could the video records go? Fuck yeah, Christmas.
Oh, this is what I came through. I know where we're going. We go back around there.
Oh my god. Fucking look at that shit.
Okay, we're going down that way then.
Oh fuck. Here we go again, God. What's these,
Where's he
man?
taking us? Where is he taking us?
Where's he taking us? Where's he going, man? Might as well. Paul's probably not fit for this. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, that's deep. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, this is. We're out. I know. What is that?
Oh, fuck, can't.
Who did that donut?
I don't know, and then we'll go. Oh, I lost it, God. I lost it. Oh. Oh my god, God. I fucking fell a slide there.